Hello everyone, I'm Luca Oliva, Bio-Optica product specialist, and today we will see our biomarking dyes. What are biomarking dyes? They are special inks that they are used to mark the surgical margins. We use it especially when we have to distinguish under the microscope different surgical margins, and it is important to use different colors in order to recognize them. Now we can see how do they work. So the marking dyes can be used on fresh or already fixed tissues. For example, here we have some liver. So this is already fixed. And this is the way we work. During the trimming, the pathologist identifies the margins that he wants to recognize and he chooses the colors to use. So for example, here we have two margins, one and the second one. We can use different colors, for example the red. This is the size with 30 ml of dye, and we have the dedicated dropper. So the dye can be directly dropped, okay, and we can also distribute it with a dedicated brush, okay, and then we can let it dry for 3 minutes. If we have to distinguish another margin with another color, we can take a different dye, for example the black one, and we can apply it on the other margin directly with the dropper, and then with the brush. Then we can let it dry, and after 3 minutes we can put it in formalin if we have to fix it again. Otherwise we can put it in the tissue processor for tissue processing. After this phase we can proceed with the embedding of the blocks with the margins, and at the end the result will be this one. So we will have the tissue with the margin. This is the blue, for example, or the orange. In our range we have 7 different colors. So here you can see them: black, purple, green, yellow, orange, blue and red. We have 30 ml bottles or bigger ones with 240 ml with the same colors. Biomarking dyes are completely atoxic, and we don't need any other reagent for the fixation, so it's just necessary to let it dry for 3 minutes.